town to town, from Maine to California, never wants to settle down. The Rough Rider from Austin down to Boston, he flies. He's got his sights set on adventure, always reaching for the skies. We'll take a ride on a slow boat to Milwaukee, 'cause that's where you'll find the sweetest American cupcake, baby. Tell me where in the States is American cupcake? Tell me where in the States is American cupcake?
What's going on, everybody? Savage Navigation with a Mean Cup of Joe. I am in Uranus, Indiana, and I'm at the URANUS Fudge Factory. Sorry, guys. I wanted to take a selfie. Alright, so I'm going in.
Welcome to Uranus.
Fudge better than your dad does.
Well, I'm sure we'll all learn a few things in Uranus.
I want to try all the fudge in Uranus. I hope they have mint fudge in Uranus.
I'm so excited to be in Uranus with the kids.
And I can't wait to pull into Uranus.
I want to be in Uranus.
Fudge, yeah!
If you live too far away to let your family be in Uranus, don't worry. You can order your fudge online at www.uranusgeneralstore.com.
Yeah.
Alright, a bunch of videos are coming up. I have... Oh, thanks, Zoltar. Yeah. The people who work there must love their job. When I left, they go, oh, thanks for picking Uranus. But there'll be more videos coming up. But that was amazing. What's going on, everybody? Savage Navigation with a Mean Cup of Joe. Somewhere in Greenfield, Indiana. I've passed this elephant about 100 times because there's an Amazon drop, and we do a lot of deliveries for Amazon. And I've never been able to take a picture of this. It's on my app. It's on my app too. But yeah. Pink elephants in Indiana.